Accidentally deleted a game or app from your Nintendo Switch? No need to panic. If you originally downloaded it using a Nintendo account, you can easily re-download it at no extra cost. Follow these quick steps to restore your games in no time. So, open up your Nintendo Switch. On the home screen, go to Virtual Game Cards icon. Now open it. Select your user account. Make sure to select the account that you had previously used to download the deleted game. You'll now see a full list of games and apps that you've downloaded before but are no longer installed, and also the installed ones. Find the game or app you want to get back. Now tap on it or open it with your button. You'll see the load on this system option. Select it. Now your game or app will be loaded right away. Just hit OK and go back to your main menu. You'll see that your game is already on its way of downloading. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly and easily re-download deleted games and apps on your Nintendo Switch. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fast, helpful Switch tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.